In today's video, we will try to learn how to select a company from the multiple company list. So, first of all, we will go educational mode for learning. Here, I can see the selected company is limited, but I want to select another company. For this selection, I will can go by clicking here or pressing F3 on keyboard. So after coming this window, select company. Here I can see the list of my companies. So I can select the company which I want, like this. So now the XYZ company is selected. The selected company will be shown in a bold color.